Hey guys, what's up? This is George from Out of the Box Reviews, and today we'll be taking a look at how Google Home Mini fares against Amazon's Echo Dot. Stick around to find out. Starting up with Google Home Mini. Released in October of 2017 as a more affordable and smaller version of Google Home, costing $49, it does exactly the same things as its bigger brother, albeit with a small sacrifice of the speaker size. It comes in a neat little box with some general information about what the Home Mini can do and a few example commands to give you an idea of how to use it. Inside the box you can find the speaker. This is the white chalk version, but it also comes in charcoal and coral. You also get a startup guide, some documentation and the power cable. The speaker feels quite solid and it is lightweight at 170 grams or 5.9 ounces. It has a very clean minimalistic design with no visible buttons, and it shouldn't have any trouble blending into almost any room in your house. Instead of physical buttons, the Mini utilizes a touch-sensitive fabric top to adjust the volume and to hide the indicator lights for visual feedback. There is also a hardware switch that disables the microphone when you need some extra privacy. Audio quality is pretty decent, and its single unidirectional 40mm speaker sounds full and clear. Obviously, if you're planning to use it as an audio device, you might want to think about the biggest brother of the three, the Google Home Max. Of course, being a Google's virtual assistant, it means you essentially have a hands-free Google search bar in your living room. Plus, there are over 1,000 compatible smart devices and apps you can use it with. You can set up alarms and reminders, it is fully compatible with your Chromecast devices, and you can connect directly to your Google Calendar to help you keep up with your schedule. Hey Google, what's my schedule for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, there are 3 events on your calendar. The first one is the 15th at 10:30 a.m. and its title is Breakfast at Tiffany's. Second, the 15th at 1:30 p.m. you have Video Shoot Test. The third one follows the 15th at 5:30 p.m. with the title Doctor's Appointment.
And because it has speech recognition, it can identify who is asking and will answer accordingly. One issue that I have with the Mini is that it doesn't have an audio jack port like the Echo Dot. So if you were planning on connecting the Mini to a couple of speakers, then you're going to need the Chromecast audio dongle for that. It's still not as much as it is buying the Google Home Max, but it's something to keep in mind. Another issue is Google's choice of micro USB charging port instead of Type-C. A lot of YouTubers and tech savvies have complained about that, but I really can't see the big deal here. Since we're talking about a power cable and not a data cable, it doesn't really bother me. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below. Moving on to Amazon's Echo Dot second generation. Costing $39.99 at the time of the recording, it comes in this black tiny box with the Amazon logo on it and no other information apart from the legal stuff. Included in the box are the Echo Dot, some documentation and a startup guide, a micro USB power cable and the power adapter. The Echo Dot is a bit smaller and lighter than the Home Mini, weighing around 163 grams or 5.7 ounces. The sleek and compact design gives out a more futuristic vibe. It has 4 physical buttons on the top for controlling the volume, muting the mic and the action button. As for visual indicators, the Echo Dot has a light ring around its top rim that really stands out and lets you know when you have a message or any kind of notification. Its 0.6-inch down-firing speaker is loud and clear, and if you need a better or louder audio experience, the Echo Dot can directly connect to speakers using a 3.5mm stereo cable, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for compatible wireless speakers. Out of the box, it comes with a basic skill set. It's compatible with all Amazon Echo family, you can set up alarms and reminders, link it up to your calendar and your Amazon account, and control most of the smart home devices in the market. The best thing is that Alexa can learn new skills. Every day on Amazon, new skills and capabilities are being added, from ordering a pizza or an Uber ride to tracking your fitness on Fitbit. That way you can personalize your Echo Dot to your needs. Let's go ahead and listen to the responses of both the Google Home Mini and the Echo Dot. These are the responses I got immediately after setting up each device for the first time. Hey Google. What's the weather gonna be today in Athens?
In Athens today, it'll be sunny with a forecast high of 59 and a low of 46. Currently it's 58 and partly cloudy.
In Athens, Attica, it's 57 degrees with partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for mostly sunny weather, with a high of 59 degrees and a low of 45 degrees.
Hey Google. Where is the nearest pizza place?
Domino's Pizza is on Eratosthenes 2 in Athena. It is 750 meters away and is rated 4.2 stars.
To get more accurate results, go to the Alexa app and enter your address. Based on your zip code settings, here are a few popular ones: Big Mario's Pizza, Sirius Pie and Biscuit, Wicked Pies, and The Masonry.
Hey Google. What is the time?
12:50.
The time is 12:47 p.m.
Hey Google. What do you think about Alexa?
I like Alexa's cool blue light. Plus, we share an affinity for Star Wars.
I'm partial to all AIs.
Hey Google. What does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 a ding and wop pop 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 pow. Or so I've heard.
Baboodaboo dum bam.
So where does this all get us to? Personally, I can't choose between them, although I would give the advantage to the Echo Dot simply because of its ability to connect with external speakers. Other than that, I use both the Mini and the Echo Dot every day because I find that they complement each other, making my life easier, each in its own way. So if I can have both, then why choose only one? Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you liked the video, consider to subscribe, like and leave a comment. It really means a lot to me. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.